Today we're going to be building a web3 imager clone. This is what the app's going to look like. So let's see how it works. This is the landing page. When you drag and drop an image into the box, it's going to use Moralis to upload it to IPFS and then give us a bunch of links that we can use. Let's try one. I've got this little Moralis GIF and we can drag and drop it into here and it'll say it's loading. And then once it's loaded and uploaded to IPFS, it'll give us these handy little links that we can use in forums or Reddit. Or we can even just share the link. And when we click here, it copies that link and we can paste it into our browser. And if we go to that link, it'll open the IPFS image in the browser. We've created a basic app with Next and then installed Tailwind CSS. We installed Moralis, React Hot Toast, and React Drop Zone. We'll be using the Moralis EVM to upload to IPFS. In the index.js, we've imported two hooks, blob to base64 and upload IPFS. Upload IPFS is simply a Moralis function that takes in our ABI, which is just the path. We can name this anything. The content, which is the content we'll pass in here. We'll wait to start our Moralis app. You can add your own API key here. And then we simply await the Moralis EVM API IPFS.upload folder using our ABI constant. And then afterwards, we're going to return the response.result 0.path, which is the URL to the IPFS. We'll jump into index.js. We simply have our nav bar with an image, and on click, we have window.location.reload to reload the page in case someone wants to upload another image afterwards. Then we have our drop manager component, which is our component that handles the rest of the page. We'll track if a user has dropped an image yet with the use state has dropped and set has dropped set to false. We'll track the image with an empty use state, the link, the empty use state, and we'll track if the share button has been clicked or not. First we have a try catch block, which tries to accept the file. It sets the image as the URL create object URL data, set has dropped to true. Then it awaits the blob to base64 data, which is simply a hook that we made, take in a blob, and resolve its target. We then await the upload IPFS Moralis function with the content, which is the base64 of the image, and then we set the link to that object. If it fails, we set has dropped to false, and we push an error to the user screen. Use drop zone gives us get root props, get input props, and is drag active on drop, and we can set what we want to accept. In this case, we want to accept all image files, and the max files is 1. We then check if it has dropped, if a user has dropped an image, and if not, we display the card asking them to drop an image. If they have, we display that image with a button to copy and share the links, and display below the IPFS links to copy. Feel free to play around in the link below and add your own images to IPFS with Moralis.